Yes, ECHS invites applications to engage medical, paramedical and non-medical staff on contractual basis in ECHS polyclinics at Alappuzha, Thrissur, Kottayam and Kunnankulam for a period of 1 year, renewable for additional period till attaining the maximum age subject to performance. Application forms and more information visit website www.echs.gov.in. Qualified and interested can submit their applications to OIC Station Headquarters Army, ECHS Cell, Kochi 04 by 5 February 26 in duplicate through post only. ECHS Kottayam needs Safai Wala with a salary of rupees 21,800 per month. All the very best.